Hey kids, hi to all of you. Good evening and very welcome in this amazing YouTube session of ODA. Right? Hi to all of you. Hi guys, hi to all of you. Okay, so I'm here, your maths teacher, with a very interesting topic. So, something which we are going to learn today is going to be very interesting. It is important and interesting at the same time. And on top of that, it is going to be very easy for you guys, right? So I'll make sure that once you do this topic, it will become clear to you guys in the very first attempt only. Okay, you may never need to revise this again. That is how I'm going to teach you today. Okay, so welcome back, all of you. Some of you guys are still joining us. Come on, guys, come on, quickly join. Settle down. Make sure you have a pencil and a notebook by your side so that you can write down all the important things which I am going to tell you today. Okay, this is going to be a crazy session, I promise you for that. Right? Okay. So guys, before we really start the session, right, we are on the YouTube platform, right? But we have our own app also. We have our innovative live learning app, which you guys already know about, right? So you guys can easily download this app. This app is already available on the Play Store, right? So you can go, you can download and explore all the features. This app will give you so many features to explore. So make sure you go there, okay, download the app, register yourself with a number, and explore all the features that we are giving you. It is going to be so much fun. Okay, so go and check that. But after this session, don't just leave the session right now. Okay? Okay. Apart from that, one very amazing thing I would be telling you guys. Okay. So there is one crash course program which is going to start from this Monday. Okay, a crash course program is going to start from this Monday. Okay, yeah. So what is this crash course program? It is basically a short-term program, only for 1 week only. So this program is only for 1 week of duration, right? So what is going to happen in that 1 week? In that 1 week, we will be having 6 sessions, 3 sessions on math and 3 sessions on science. So what? Okay, so what? We have 6 sessions. So what? Okay, the main thing is we are going to teach you something which no one else is teaching you, right? So something we will teach you which will really help you understand those concepts and some other concepts also, right? So these are few important things. If you will know that, it will be really easy for you to learn the topic and do the rest of the other things. Okay, so we'll be doing that. What I do in the crash course program, right? Not only I teach the school curriculum, I teach the Vedic math, and I also teach you how to prepare for Olympiads. Three in one. That is why I say three in one session. Okay, that is going to be crash course, which is going to start on Monday. Okay, so today we have Friday, Saturday, Sunday, 2 days to go, and on Monday we are going to start this very amazing program. You will be getting the personal teacher support there. Just imagine there is someone who can really help you with all of your doubts, confusion, queries. Right now, when you are learning something new, you are getting a lot of doubts, right? But is there anyone to take care of all the doubts? No, right? If the answer is no, we have a solution for that. Okay, a personal teacher support you will be getting. We will be giving you one personal teacher who will be helping you. Okay, at every point of time, he or she will be helping you, right? And that personal support can really help you. Really, it can really help you, believe me. Okay? So homeworks we are going to give you on app. Tests will be conducted so as to check if you are learning properly all the things or not. And last but not the least, the ebooks. Okay, the support material we are going to provide you, right? And that support material has been created by the teachers itself. It has gone through multiple stages of checking and all that. After that, we have come up with a very best product of the ebooks. Okay, you'll get to know about that, right? So okay, so talking about myself now, my name is Rahul Chaudhary Bhardwaj. Most of you guys know me already, right? So I have been teaching from last 4 years, and in this month only, I will be completing my 5 years of teaching. Okay, in this month only, on 30th of July, I would be completing my 5 years of teaching. Right. As of now, I have mentored more than 25,000 students as of now. Okay. And today, I'll be teaching you one very interesting and one very amazing topic of symmetry. Okay, symmetry. right? We will be learning about what is symmetry, what is asymmetry, what is line of symmetry. These three topics we are going to learn. Can you see this beautiful butterfly? Right, we are going to use this butterfly again and again because she is going to teach us. Okay, she is going to teach us what exactly asymmetry is. Right, all of us like butterflies. Am I right or not? All of us like that, right? So here we have a butterfly which will be teaching us the concept of symmetry. Okay, okay. So without wasting further time, let's start the very first concept of symmetry. Have a look on this part. If any object can be divided into two identical halves, we say it is symmetrical. Okay, let's try to understand now what I have written on the screen. It says that if any object, if it can be divided into two identical halves, we say that particular object is symmetrical. Okay, any object, it could be any object. For example, let's take the example of this Taj Mahal, right? So if I decide to divide the Taj Mahal in two equal halves like this, do you think the left part and the right part of the Taj Mahal, they are same only, they are identical only, they are the mirror images of each other? Okay, am I making sense or not? If I decide to divide the Taj Mahal from the very between, okay, so do you think that the left part and the right part which we are getting, they are exactly same? They are identical, they are the mirror images of each other? Yes, right? That is symmetry for you guys. Okay, this Taj Mahal is symmetrical and the property is known as symmetry. So I can say that Taj Mahal is symmetrical and the property due to which it has two identical halves is known as symmetry. Similarly, for this also, what is the name of this animal? I'm not a science teacher. I may not know. Do you know what is the name of this animal? What animal is this? Okay, what animal is this? Reindeer, you guys are saying? Okay, yeah, okay. So do you think this reindeer is also symmetrical? Do you think so? The left part, right part, they are the mirror images of each other. It is. Okay. Now, let me give you one live example. I am standing right in front of you. What do you think about me? Am I symmetrical? Okay. Now, just think it like this only. If you decide to cut me in between, well, don't cut that. I want to leave right. Okay. But just imagine, right? If you cut me halfway through like this only, do you think my left and right part, they are symmetrical? They are identical. They are the mirror images. They are, right? Now don't say this thing, Rahul sir, your hairs are like this only, it's not matching. Rahul sir, you are wearing watch on one side and not on other side. Not these kind of things, okay? I am talking as a body, a person as a whole, not the external things and all that, right? Yes, so every human is also symmetrical externally, not internally, because we have heart here but not the other way side, right? So internally I'm not talking, I'm talking externally only. Humans are also symmetrical. What about this hand of mine? Look closely. Okay, and do one thing, look at your hand. Do you think your hand is symmetrical? Do you think if I cut my hand, just imagine, if I cut my hand through here, this part and this part, they are mirror images, they are identical? No, right? No. So hand is not symmetrical, right? Hand is not symmetrical. So when something is not symmetrical, what do we call it? When something is not symmetrical, what do we call it? We call that asymmetry. Okay, that property is known as asymmetry, right? So if any object can't be divided into two identical halves, we say it is asymmetrical. We say it is asymmetrical. Okay, and the property by which an object cannot be divided into two identical parts is known as asymmetry. You getting me? I'm making sense, right? Okay, so if any object is there which can't be divided into two equal halves, we say it is asymmetrical. Let's have a look on this leaf. I have this leaf over here. So if I cut the leaf along here, do you think this part and this part, they are exactly same or they are the mirror images of each other? No, right? Because I have this thing over here, but I have no such thing over here. Okay, so when we are talking about symmetry, everything should be symmetrical, exact similar. Okay, everything should be exactly the same only then we can say that is symmetrical. Okay, I have a picture for you. They say a picture is worth thousand of words. So in place of saying all the things, I will show you a picture which will tell you the difference between symmetric and asymmetric objects. Have a look. Have a look. Okay. So now the screen is all vacant for you guys. Okay, even I am not in the screen now, in the frame now. Have a look. Symmetric and asymmetric, how they look like. So you can see that when we are talking about symmetric, this part, the left part and the right part, they are exactly same. Like the mirror images. Okay, if I will put a mirror over here, I will be able to see the complete tree. Right? But not for this part. Okay, so something is here, something is not here, or the other way around. Right? That is why this is not symmetric, this is asymmetric. I believe the concept is clear to all of you guys. I believe this concept is clear to all of you guys. That was easy peasy, lemon squeezy. I told you in the beginning, it is going to be easy, interesting, and important at the same time. Okay? Okay, let's consider one example. Is it symmetric? What do you think? I have a triangle over here. Do you think this is symmetric? Okay, I am cutting this from here. Do you think the left part and right part, they are exactly same? Mirror images? Yes or no? Press 1 for yes and 2 for no. Quickly. All of you guys, I want you to answer this. Press 1 for yes, 2 for no. Is this symmetric? Yes or no? It is symmetric. Yes, it is symmetric. You can see that it is symmetric. The left part is exactly same as the right part. It's okay. Flip is okay. Okay. So if you are thinking left side is like this, right side should also be like this only. No, that is not the condition. They can be mirror images also. It is also acceptable. Okay, the main thing is, if you fold them, then one half should be able to cover the other half. That is symmetry. Okay, I'm telling you one more definition now. It's not only about dividing only, but if you divide and you try to cover one part with the help of the other part, if they are covering, that is also symmetry. That is also symmetry. Okay, I'll give you a quiz and you will be able to understand this in a better way. Okay, so below figure, so we have a butterfly over here. I told you, right, a butterfly would come to teach us again. So here she has once again. So below figure, this butterfly that you can see over here, do you think this is symmetric, asymmetric, or can't say? Okay, if you do not know, you can give C as the answer. Can't say. Now tell me, okay, is this butterfly which you are seeing right over here is symmetric, asymmetric, or you can't really say anything about it? Let me know. Let me know. Is it symmetric, asymmetric? Can't say. Right. So see. Okay, if I go like this, okay, the left part and the right part, the left part and the right part, okay, so they actually overlap each other, right? If a butterfly will try to overlap the wings, it will exactly cover, right? So that is why this is symmetric. That is why this is symmetric. Are you guys able to understand whatever we are learning so far? Symmetry, one very beautiful topic, one of my personal favorite topics, symmetry. Okay, ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है. Okay, nice. ठीक है. So now there are different kinds of symmetry, right? Whatever I was showing you, it was only one kind of symmetry, which is known as line symmetry. Okay, this is one kind of a symmetry which is known as a line symmetry. Line symmetry. This is known as line symmetry. Right? We have other kinds of symmetries also, but let's just try to understand symmetry today, the line symmetry only. Okay, line symmetry is also called reflection symmetry or mirror symmetry. You can write it down in your notes. Okay, you can write it down in your notes because they can ask you in case you are preparing for Olympiads. If they use the word like reflection symmetry, don't get confused. Oh my God, what is that? We don't know about it. That is nothing but line symmetry only. Line symmetry, reflection symmetry, mirror symmetry, they all are the name for same thing only. Okay, these are different names for the same thing only, right? So have a look on these examples that we have over here. Okay, let's talk about this one. let's talk about this one. Okay, so if I will divide or cut like this part and this part, they are exactly same. This is line symmetry. Okay, this is line symmetry. And this one also, the left part and the right part are exactly same, line symmetry. Okay, I don't know what shape this is, I do not know, but I definitely know that whatever is above that, whatever is below that, they are exactly the same, mirror images of each other. Okay, and a circle, yes, this part exactly same, right? So when a single line is deciding the symmetry, that is known as the line symmetry. It simply means that, okay, when we are talking about the line symmetry, the one half is reflection or mirror image of the other half. If I'm talking about this particular shape, right, this line symmetry mean whatever is on the other hand side now is just the mirror image of the other half. If I'm talking about this one, okay, this half is nothing but just the reflection of this part, just the reflection, nothing else, just the reflection. Similarly, okay, this is the one side, the other half is just the same reflection, same reflection. That is the meaning of mirror symmetry. I believe you guys are able to understand. Okay, if not, let me bring the butterfly back. Let me bring the butterfly back. Butterfly, now you need to tell us what exactly a line of symmetry is. Because we have understood about the symmetry, we have understood about asymmetry also. This is the third topic for the session, the line of symmetry. Okay, so let's learn from the butterfly itself what is the line of symmetry. Okay, now see, all of us have seen a butterfly. It looks like this, right? So in the second part, you can see the butterfly has folded her wings. The butterfly has folded her wings. Okay. Remember, in middle of this session, I told you one thing that dividing is one definition. The other definition is folding. Okay. If we fold one object and they completely cover each other, they completely overlap. That is also another definition for symmetry. So you can see that the butterfly, okay, this same butterfly, when she will decide to fold her wings along this line, okay, a butterfly cannot just fold her wings along this line. No, she cannot do that. Okay, she cannot do that. She cannot do that, right? Okay, but she can do along this axis. She can do along this axis. ठीक है? Wait. ठीक है? So she can do along this axis only. Okay, right? Yeah. So now understand this that when she decides to fold her wings along this line, it gets this kind of shape, and you can see that. Okay, now you can only see this part of the wings only. The other part of the wing is completely hidden, covered by the first half of the wing. That is the second definition of symmetry. Okay, so line of symmetry is the line, it is the line along which when an object is folded, the two halves overlap each other. Overlap mean cover. If you do not understand overlap, overlap mean cover. Okay, they completely cover each other. They completely cover each other. So that is the second the line of symmetry definition. Understood? Okay, let me show you one more thing. The butterfly is here back again. So have a look on this. Have a look on this. Okay, so butterfly, when she will fold. You can see the one half is being covered by the other half completely. The one half is being covered by the other half completely, right? So it means the butterfly is symmetrical, and the line along which I am folding is known as the line of symmetry, because I cannot fold butterfly along this. I cannot do that. Okay, this only I can do. So this is known as the line of symmetry. Okay, let me give you some more examples. So here I have taken some more examples for you. Can you see this one? The very first picture, so beautiful, right? So here we have the water, and here we have the original monument that we have here. Okay, and you can see that in the water we can see clear reflection. Okay, it looks like the same monument is here also, but this one is nothing, but this one is just a reflection only. So it means this thing, the surface of water, this thing, it is acting as a line of symmetry, because whatever is above that, whatever is below that is completely same, entirely same. Okay, Taj Mahal, again you can see that Taj Mahal is symmetrical like this also. Left part, right part, exactly same, and like this also. In the water, you can see the reflection again. Okay, this one again, this is the line of symmetry, and here this is the line of symmetry. The left part same as the right part. Understood? Understood, guys? Okay, now there are two kind of lines of symmetry. There are two kinds of line of symmetry which we are going to discuss today. Okay, the horizontal symmetry, which runs left to right, horizontal. Okay, this is horizontal. Okay, which we commonly call as sleeping line. Remember when you were in nursery? Let's go back in time now. Okay, so we call this as sleeping line, if you remember, right? This sleeping line is nothing but a horizontal line, right? So what is horizontal symmetry? It runs left to right. Okay, if I do something like this, left to right, okay, whatever is above is same below also, symmetrical, horizontal line of symmetry. In this case also, right, we have the horizontal line of symmetry. In this case also, we have the horizontal line of symmetry. Whatever is above is same below as well. Okay, the first case. Now the second one is the vertical line of symmetry. Vertical, okay, vertical, this is vertical, which we call as standing line. Okay, this we call as standing line. You can call this vertical or standing, right? So vertical symmetry runs top to bottom. It runs top to bottom. So you can see that, right? Top to bottom, whatever is there on the left is on the right as well. Same thing here also. Alphabet A we have, whatever is here as well. This is the vertical. Remember these two. Horizontal goes left to right like this, and the vertical is standing, it goes top to bottom. It goes top to bottom. Understood? It goes top to bottom. Right? Okay. Now, let's try to find line of symmetries in the below picture. Let's try to understand the line of symmetries in the below picture. Before I really teach you what is the answer, I want you guys to give a try. Okay, this is a comb. Try to find line of symmetry here. Okay, so what exactly we need to find? We need to find a line along which, if I will cut it, divide it, or fold it, the two parts, the two halves, they should be entirely same. Okay, they should be the mirror images, they should be identical. That thing I'm looking. Okay, now it could be here also, here also, here also. I do not know. This is something which you need to find, guys. Okay, this is something which you need to find. So find the line of symmetry in all these four cases. Find the line of symmetry in all these four cases. Okay, come on, go ahead. Okay, so talking about the comb in the very middle. Now you can see that whatever is there on the left is there on the right as well. Okay, okay. Second one, this looks like a letter. I do not know how many of you guys have seen a letter, but when I was of your age, that is how we used to send messages to someone, right? And this is also symmetrical, right? This is vertical line of symmetry. It goes top to bottom. Vertical line of symmetry. It goes top to bottom. Okay? Okay. Now talking about 8. This 8. Now I specifically like this. Okay. I want you guys to give me a double confirmation. What do you think? Is it symmetrical? First question. Is it symmetrical? If no, okay, no, it's not symmetrical. But if it is a symmetrical, what kind of symmetry it has? Horizontal line of symmetry or vertical line of symmetry? I want you guys to give this a try and tell me what is the answer. Okay, take a try. Think about this. Let me know what is the answer. The number 8, does it has horizontal line of symmetry or vertical line of symmetry? Okay. Some of you guys are giving right answers. Okay, yeah. So talking about the vertical, yes, it has vertical line of symmetry. But apart from that, it also has horizontal line of symmetry. It also has. ठीक है? So yes, there are few objects which have both symmetries, the horizontal as well as the vertical one. Okay, clear? And the last one, the scissor, right? It only has the vertical line of symmetry. It only has the vertical line of symmetry. Okay? Okay, yeah. Next, one more practice question. How many alphabets have two lines of symmetry in word math? Right. So first of all, I am going to write word math here. Okay, and then I will decide. Okay, and then I will decide MATH. Okay. So here we have math. Now let's try to understand how many lines of symmetry it has. How many lines of symmetry it has. If I talk about M, yes, guys, yes, come on, give up, give me your decisions, okay? Give me your ideas, what you're thinking about this. MATH, what about M? Is it symmetrical? How many lines of symmetry it has? I need to find those alphabets which have two lines of symmetry, two lines, okay? Which have two lines of symmetry. So if I talk about M has only one line of symmetry, okay? I cannot consider this. I want two lines of symmetry. Okay, what about A? A also has vertical line of symmetry. I can't consider that. Talking about T, T has only one vertical line of symmetry. Okay, what about H? H has vertical line of symmetry as well as horizontal line of symmetry, right? So only one alphabet we have in maths which have two lines of symmetry. Okay, so what about if I say S? What about, okay, let's make it maths. Okay, it's not math anymore, it's maths now. What about now? How many lines of symmetry S has? How many lines of symmetry S has? Okay, surprisingly, S has no line of symmetry. You can check that. Okay, you can check that. Okay, this is not possible. No, this is not possible. Okay, and similarly, this is also not possible. These are not the line of symmetries. These are not the line of symmetries. Understood? Okay, yeah. Now, tell any two alphabets which have no lines of symmetry. Can you tell me, guys? Tell any two alphabets which have no lines of symmetry. We have so many alphabets. Okay, so many alphabets we have, guys. So many alphabets we have. Okay, so can you tell me any two alphabets which have no line of symmetry? Come on, think about this. Okay, find me any two alphabets which have no line of symmetry. Okay, find which have no line of symmetry. So there are actually so many alphabets. There are actually so many alphabets. Okay, so for example, anyone in the chat box, tell me. Okay, so if I take F, F has no line of symmetry. F has no line of symmetry, right? In the previous slide, I took one alphabet as S, right? S has no line of symmetry, right? Apart from that, if you take G, G has no line of symmetry, okay? If I talk about my name Rahul, it starts with R, R has no line of symmetry, right? So there you would be able to find so many alphabets which have no line of symmetry. Okay, so before I end this session, I want to give you one homework, guys. Okay, before I end the session, I want to give one homework. So this is the line of symmetry in the letters. You guys can take a screenshot, but I want you guys to write all the alphabets on a piece of paper first. Try to find their line of symmetry and then check with this one if you have got all the right answers or not. That would be one homework. Okay, the screen is here now. You can take a screenshot. Okay, so first you have to do it yourself only. First do it yourself. Okay, try to find how many alphabets have symmetry, how many lines of symmetry they have. Okay, and after that you can check it with this if you have got all the right answers or not. Okay, we will continue this topic, guys. We will continue this topic. A lot of things are there to do, right? Before ending the session, let me remind you once again. Let me remind you once again that you have to download the ODA app from the Play Store. Okay, the link you will get in the description box as well. Go check that app, right? Not to forget about the crash course program, one very amazing program, right, which is going to start from Monday. So many features we have discussed already. I particularly like this idea that in the crash course program, not only the school curriculum, but we are going to teach you Vedic math as well as Olympiad preparation also, right? And yes, a personal mentor teacher, right? Just imagine there is a personal teacher who is there with you entire day whenever you have a doubt, query, something you have not understood in the school class, right? That you can ask from your mentor teacher. Something in the ODA class you have not understood, you want a revision on that, there is one person, okay, in the standby mode who is ready to help you, right? So get all these features. If you want to enroll, you can click on this link, which is already available in the description box. Okay, this link is already there in the description box. Okay, so depending upon your classes, we have different prices for that. Okay, like for class 6 to 8, we have 29 rupees. Okay, you can very easily do that. Very much affordable education ODA classes providing you, right? In that program you will be earning so many coins as well, right? So many coins you can earn, and with the help of coins you can redeem all these amazing gifts that we have here for you. So you can learn and earn both the things at the same time. Okay, that will be all for this session, guys. I hope you have understood this topic. We will continue this topic. Few more things are there, right? We will continue the same topic in the next session. Till then, take care. Bye bye. If you have liked this session, do like it and share with your friends so that your friends can also learn something amazing. Okay, and don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon so that whenever I take the second part of the same topic, you get the notification. That will be all for this session, guys. I'll see you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.